gonna ask me, what is this? Let me show you. Let's open it. This here, it's a frame protector. This frame protector is to place on your frame to protect your frame from the hook that comes with the front wheel when you fold your Brompton. Do you need it? I do, because it gets all scratchy, so let's put it on. I used to have a titanium collar, all colorful. It was a very small one, but all colorful. Supposed to be matching my titanium seat post that never arrived. So now I have a black titanium seat post. So I ordered a black one. Let's put it on. It's beautiful. I like it. And it's well made too. Let's put it on. Because I do think that we need something to protect, I put a Velcro and a sticker underneath. So now we're going to put this one. Let's put some gloves on. The steel parts come with a lot of stickers. So let's fix them and look at the frame. That's what happened when you don't have a frame protector. Yeah, no, I didn't know about it. We keep learning and learning and learning. And that's how you put it right on top of the damaged place. Looks good, doesn't it? Let's put the other part. And now for the final touch. Aha, much easier. We just adjust it. And voila. Okay, I like it. It looks cool. So, this was the quick tip for today. Protect your frame. I know I have a whole video about it, but this one just arrived and I'm gonna show you. If you did like it, thumbs up. And if you don't know, I'll tell you. The long videos, the videos that take a long time to edit or to do it, to film it, you know, they come out. They are posted on Saturday morning. Well, Brazilian morning. And the quick tips, they come out whenever they come, you know. And something happened like this little frame protector just arrived, so I want to share with you. And so they come out, like, you know, they come out. So if you want to be notified about them and the long videos, you need to click the little bell. And this little bell, the only way to get to the little bell is subscribe. Yes, please do. Be part of it. Enjoy it. Keep safe and ride your bike. Bye-bye.